Listen to this dialogue. Ali is talking to Umar about their conversation last night over the telephone, which suddenly got cut off. Ali, कल क्या हुआ था? ओ उमर, माफ़ी चाहता हूँ, मैं असल में सो गया था। कोई मसला नहीं, अगर नींद आ रही हो तो बताया करो। अच्छा, नींद आना is the verb to feel sleepy. It literally means sleepiness to come. How would you say, I'm feeling sleepy? Literally, to me, sleepiness coming is. मुझे नींद आ रही है. Now ask, can I sleep? मैं सो सकता हूँ or मैं सो सकती हूँ. Say, I should go. To go is जाना. मुझे जाना चाहिए. Now say, I am going to sleep. Literally, I to sleep, going am. मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ. Notice that sona becomes sone. The reason is it's coupling with the verb to go or jana. Similarly, khana would become मैं खाने जा रहा और रही हूँ. पीना मैं पीने जा रहा और रही हूँ. Therefore, in Urdu is इसलिए. इसलिए. Say, I am feeling sleepy, therefore I'm going to sleep. मुझे नींद आ रही है, इसलिए मैं सोने जा रही हूँ. और मुझे नींद आ रही है, इसलिए मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ. The informal you in Urdu is तुम. Like we say आप हैं, we say तुम हो. तुम खाओ from खाना, तुम पियो, चलो, जाओ, करो. करो of course from करना, to do. Batana is the verb to tell. The polite formal way of saying tell me is मुझे बताइए. The plain formal way is मुझे बताएं. Try to say tell me in the informal way. मुझे बताओ. Now, bataya or batai is the past of batana. When someone says bataya karo, it means do tell. In the dialogue, it depends on the sentence. If sleepiness were coming, you see, just as in the English conditional sentences involving if, was is replaced by were, in Urdu hai is replaced by ho. It signifies a condition. The to you form of tum is tumhe. Try to say, if to you sleepiness coming were, अगर तुम्हें नींद आ रही हो. And remember, this isn't the same past plural were as in we were, they were. That were in Urdu is the. हम थे, वो थे. So in Urdu is तो. तो बताओ उर्दू में कैसे कहते हैं. So do tell, or literally so told do. तो बताया करो. Try it in the two polite forms. तो बताया करें and तो बताया कीजिए. Now say, if you feel sleepy, so do tell. If you feel sleepy, so do tell. अगर नींद आ रही हो तो बताया करो. English always omits the so in such sentences, but Urdu needs to go with the condition marker ho. Maafi means forgiveness. Maafi. You can either want forgiveness from someone, मैं माफी चाहता or चाहती हूँ, or you could ask someone, do forgive me, मुझे माफ कीजिए, or मुझे माफ करो. Asal means real. Asal. How would you say, I actually went to sleep? Literally, I, in real, sleep went was. मैं असल में सो गया था, और मैं असल में सो गई थी. Masla means problem. How would you say, no problem or any problem not? कोई मसला नहीं. कोई मसला नहीं. Hona is the verb to be. Hua or hui is its past. Kuch hua hai, however, means something has happened or something happened is. How did Umar ask, yesterday what happened was? कल क्या हुआ था? Okay, a couple of sentences before you listen to the dialogue again. How would you say, informally, you told me? Literally, you to me told. And remember that batana is transitive. तुमने मुझे बताया. तुमने मुझे बताया. Now say, he told me. उसने मुझे बताया. And now the dialogue again. अली, कल क्या हुआ था? ओ उमर, माफ़ी चाहता हूँ, मैं असल में सो गया था. कोई मसला नहीं. अगर नींद आ रही हो तो बताया करो. अच्छा.